Hello friends, how are you doing? So, as usual, we are going to continue with our Famousity game and mobile version in Godot. And last time, I was about to stream yesterday, but I realized that I want to finish some stuff which I don't want to do on stream, so sorry about that, I wasn't online. And I fixed some little bugs and made some improvements to the game yesterday, which bothered me when I was playing the game. So yeah, and I promised you yesterday that we will focus on the lobby, public lobby, so we can you can play with different players or other players. So we are going to do it today, and that's actually all for our intro. So hey guys. Okay, so yesterday and day before yesterday I was preparing the backend stuff for the lobby, and it should be prepared. I didn't really test it too much, so it's going to be tested by the Famousity itself, and we can start. So basically what we are going to have, it's another action which is going to be find game. I already created it yesterday, so I prepared something for today, and we just want to move this a little bit up. So it's kind of centered, and yeah, so basically when you press on find game, you are redirected to another screen, which is here, and that's finding game, and you can cancel it, or you can see how many players are joining the game. So that's basically it, the whole science behind. So we can go to menu, let me just make sure this is switched on. Okay, yep. So in the menu we have, actually we don't have it, so we need to create a reference to our finding game. Okay, and in game manager we can go here. So basically I have also created some methods for finding the lobby requests. So we are calling the backend to find a lobby here, and with max players 4 I will set it to 2 just for testing, and then we will get the result from backend and we will emit the lobby loaded. So we can go to menu, menu, and basically connect to this signal. Lobby data. Okay. Actually, finding game screen and get note. So I want to update the label for players text. So that's players. Okay. It doesn't matter. Count, yeah. Okay, so this is called when the lobby is loaded, but we need to actually refresh it. So after that, we will refresh the loading. And actually wonder if we have to do it here or we are going to do in the API. So if we are going to cancel, so basically something like this. What should happen now? We should go to show main menu, but we have to also cancel the finding stuff, and not even that. We need to also call API and remove from the lobby. Okay, I will handle it here. So we will have or maybe what should be the best here? I think maybe API client manager should handle it, or maybe game manager even. So who should be responsible for refreshing? It should be menu. Menu should be only the dummy view. But in such case, I will need to have another signal to tell that, okay, we want to cancel the lobby finding. And that's okay. We can do it also for the as we are going to leave lobby. So left. Okay. And let's go here. Let's go to menu access again. Cancel game finding. So we are going to call the signal. So in such case, I should have the lobby left here. I don't think I need to have it here. I need to have a lobby data here. Okay, show menu. Alright. Can also click play the game. Okay, so maybe we'll need to differentiate somehow if we are joining the lobby or if we are finding the lobby. Okay, so that's for the next step. But first of all, let's go to Game Manager and let's connect to the same signal, which is lobby loaded. One will be loaded, and let's go here. And also lobby left. So we are going to keep the data of the lobby. Okay. And as I was going to do in there in the menu, I will public cost let's start with 3 seconds. Maybe we will need to change this one to go lobby found. Okay, so we will call it after the Okay, let's do it this way. I know that when I call the find lobby several times, it should return the same lobby, or maybe the updated one with more players. So this is fine. But I was also thinking that we may have another method which will be called get lobby data, and we need to constants. Actually, I don't even need to load the lobby data here, because the live lobby is based on the player local data. So, oh man. And we actually don't need this. Okay. Okay, so we will find the lobby, we will update it, and that should be it. Something did not get called here. Let's go back to menu. Or maybe I didn't call the signal from API client. Lobby found, mid signal, lobby loaded. It's fine. Lobby data. Any exceptions here? Oh, we have an exception here. So serialization exception. Which method is this? Deserialize. So we are lobby found. Okay, we are here, and we are going to deserialize this. Oh, actually, I know what's going on. Oh no, I don't. Player data makes sense, that's fine. But too small. What do we have here? Interesting. Overflow exception. Value was either too large or too small for uint. Okay, maybe we can try run it from here. Let's see what we do receive here. Response. Let's see. ID minus -1. Okay, I see. Yeah, I'm not sending game IDs here. Because I don't want to expose player IDs to players. And I'm sending it as... Jesus. I'm sending it as... I stopped the editor as well. No mind. I'm setting it as -1 here, so that's why it's failing, because I'm expecting unsigned long here. So what we can do here is to... Where is it? Oh, here. I will set it to 0, actually. Doesn't really matter what number there is, because I'm not using it on the client. So one more time here. Okay. Now we can try to... actually... Music manager. We don't have options to turn the music off, so I will have to do it in the code for now. Play menu music. Okay, let's run it from here. And let's go to data. Remove this. And let's run the game from here as well. Okay. This hasn't been updated yet. For some reason. Okay, so this is fine. And this is not updated. Menu. Okay, let's do it the other way around so we can debug. Let's start this one as first. Oh yeah, I don't have... interesting. Wait. Yeah, I get this, it's still refreshing. Okay, let's first fix this issue. Okay, manager. Lobby left. Yeah, because I forgot to do this. Okay, so what will happen if I leave the lobby? Hmm. This is fine, I can stop it here, but it's going to take some time, and during the time I can just cancel it. And it will receive the lobby loaded anyways, because it's already called. So as this is our point of okay, so what if I do it here, because coming okay, and cancel will game. Okay, so basically I'm going to just have a switch here that or a flag here that will tell us that the if we are not in a finding lobby, that we shouldn't do anything. Okay, and cancel should basically cancel this finding state. Okay, and now it shouldn't switch. Actually, I need to add it here as well. Oh no, I already added it here. Or did I? Yep. And let's go to game manager again. Okay. And now, so is this it? I'm not setting it to false. I am okay. Okay, no, let's try it again. So we are going to call from here. We're not calling delete though. For some reason, I'm not emitting the signal, probably. Wait. Console finding. I am emitting signal. I'm not connected to this signal. I am connected to this signal. Lobby data is. Oh, yeah, sorry. Of course. Okay. Okay. Let's try it from here. So this is working correctly, but from the other side this is not. Why is that? Actually, it's not from. Oh yeah, okay. It is. So 2 players, and this is not updating for some reason. So let's go to API Client Manager and let's see. What's this? Lobby data. Players. It's only returning 1 here. Okay, so we have to go to backend here. Process find lobby. So open find lobby. Let's go here. See what's going on there. So find public lobby. Get lobbies, and lobby is not full. It's publicly open, which it should be. And we will find the first one, which is not. Okay. Oh yeah, I see. Oh no, I don't see. How many lobbies do we have here? $55. What? Oh, actually, no, yeah, so we cannot use this find lobby because basically when the lobby is full, when you call the find lobby, it will create a new one because it's not expecting you to. Well, we can like actually we should maybe handle it on the backend, because when there is a lobby with player ID in it, it should return the lobby, I believe. I don't know. Or we can just use the get lobby information here for update. This approach is fine, like I can do it, but I will probably need to also handle the use case when someone will try to find the lobby which already he is part of. So yeah, we need to handle this on the backend. Doesn't really matter. So basically I need to go here and if stream yeah, I want to restart the server. Okay. Okay, so now it's correctly set to players 2, and that means that we have lobby connected or lobby found. So in such case, lobby loaded here, and if lobby data is full, that means that we can so we actually go to Network Manager and connect to a game. So local okay. Okay, let's try it now. Oops. Yeah, the problem is that when I close the game, it what's this? So when I close the game, the lobby is not disconnected. So this is issue I was a little bit worried about, and maybe yeah, we will need to handle it. I might do the same thing as I'm doing for the connection for the 2D game, that I will get a stream and use the stream for connection, not the API stuff. Probably. I wanted to avoid this because I will need to update the proto buffs, and that would mean that I will have to update the Unity version for desktop to be working correctly, which I don't want to do it because I'm yeah, because we don't have a license there anymore. So I will have to do it through the API calls, and I will have to handle it on the backend then. If the finding game is not called in some interval or something like that, then it will just remove the player from the lobby. So that's the one. I guess this, I think this is fine. Like, I can make some. I will need to make some save fails there anyway, so that's fine. So what the problem was there? Okay, so let me just restart this server quickly, so we have a clean lobby. And yeah, actually I wanted to just update one small thing here. Notification, and there should be I have added it to menu, but I'm not sure if this is enough. Right. And I guess we don't have to do it here actually, but I want to put some okay, so one more time. Okay. Okay, so this is still running, but there is some exception here. The player ID is null. Oh, here. So what have I received? We have received dealing card, and we have player ID. We have the game received with the players. That's fine. And actually I know what's going on here. Yes, and this is called from. Yeah, the problem is that not all player nodes are initialized when we have only 2 players, and we have 4 player nodes here. So it's finding the player node for player, and when it's not found, so let me check if I'm using this anywhere else. Update score here, yep, and here. Otherwise we will return 0. We can simplify this to this. Okay. Okay, and now we can try again, and I want to actually. Okay, so the application crashed, and it didn't really call the quit, I believe. So come. Okay, so this is still not correct. Yeah, I think that I still have some problem with the these players there. Maybe I will need to where are we? Should be start game. Okay, start game. We have players here, and now we will rotate the players, get player indices, and then player nodes for these indices here. How do I want to do it? Like, I want to get... And this is what I want to initialize. That's fine. But whenever I call it... whenever I call this here... But it's only here. So what is failing? Why is this failing? Deal card. Oh, wait. Yeah. I'm actually missing this for the play with bots and game prepared. Yeah, so basically we need to game manager lobby data, lobby load it here. And also menu show loading screen. Yep, this is also stupid because game prepared is called here and we are connecting to the game here. Okay, so actually we can do just this. Private game ID. Maybe even we can use this lobby data here. So let's go here. Play with bots. So play with bot means this lobby data should be 0 nil now. And then start game. Actually, you can click called start game, so it's clear. And for the lobby loaded find game. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this, and let's start game. So this will prepare our game, and when the game is prepared, we will check if the lobby data is this. Okay. Or maybe we can also like do the okay, this might be even better. So public wait bots. Models, code, players. Probably nothing here. And game prepared, we will just use everything what's in the lobby data. So ID. Okay, it should be fine, it should be 0. Okay, so let's try it now. Let me run this, let me run this. It's my turn. Okay. Okay. So this is working properly. Even if the lobby was left there, it shouldn't be an issue for now. But I will have to like make a file out there, so it's not it doesn't crash. Okay, so I can play against myself now. And if one player leaves, the game should end. And I'm not sure what happened here. Finish game. Game is loading. Okay, so we need to debug this as well. I'm thinking that we need to also remove the lobby from service. Something like this. Game ID. So basically, we need to hide the lobby from for outside, because when the game starts, actually. So hide lobby. Do I need a callback here? I don't think so. Yeah, let's have it here. Let's go here and let's... Okay, so I cannot remove the player. I can... No, I cannot remove the player, but I will have to set the lobby that it started or something like that, so we know that we can clear it then. But when we can do it? Okay, first of all, I will just set it to publicly open, false. Okay, this will save it, and this means that the lobby cannot be found by other players. That's fine. But the problem... But the problem is that the lobby will be there, still there in the lobby service. And when to remove it, because the players will be there. So we have to remove it when... player here. Game player. So when the game is started here, we go to lobby service and remove lobby. Okay. That's actually everything here. So remove lobby. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's try now. What? What happened? So both players have full lobby, I believe. Connecting to game. Okay, connecting to game. Fine. And waiting for next data. So, okay, so we have some exception here. Yep. That's what. Oh, this handler is not bad, not good. Oh yeah, I know. Nah. The problem is I have to clean and compile the whole project. The vertex which I'm using for the backend is doing some code generation, and the problem is that the code for lobby service hasn't been regenerated properly, and that's causing the failure, as it wasn't able to find the new method I have implemented. Okay, so one more time. Oh, we still do have some problem. Did I? Oh, I didn't. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to check if the... Oh yeah, I wanted to solve this. Game finished. Oh. It's this one. Okay, so lobbies got cleared when the game has started, so that's fine. And let me just check and figure out what the problem is with the disconnection. Okay, so let's say this player now disconnects. I will play my turn. And we have some exception here, which is caused by what? Null. Abstract player. What? I'm not even here. Game results. Ah, okay. So so this is game oh yeah. So I know what's crashing. The game results. It's taking all the players, which are even those which are not implemented, initialized. So yeah, we need to also fix that init player scores. So init player scores. Okay. Show game results and this. I always forget what the name is for. Bypasses the specified number of elements. No. Oh, where? Yeah. So player. Okay. This should filter out all nodes which are not initialized. And this should actually return a new collection, which means that I don't have to create or do I? It's a list. Okay. Okay, so let's try it one more time. Player, stop. Okay, and this player now disconnects. This player plays. Okay, so we don't have any message like for this connection for now. Oh yeah, that reminds me another back that we have a looping sound here. You can just fix it here. Sounds. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so we have done it. Actually, we are now able to find a public game and connect multiple players. So for now, I have tested it with 2 players. Usually it should be 4 players. I might leave it for 2 players for testing. And yeah, during the weekend, I would like to create a public package of public Android application, which I will share, and you can basically test it yourself and maybe give me some feedback if you want. And that's actually all for today. And on Monday I will be implementing the lobby, the custom one or the private lobby if you want, where you will be able to invite your friends, or basically you will have a code similar to Among Us, which they have a code there and you can type the code in to join some game, some lobby, so you can play with your friends in the future as well. And that's all. Thank you for watching again, and I hope you have a great weekend and stay well, and see you next time. Bye bye guys.